big surprise to all the NEET 2025 aspirants, NEET MDS aspirants rather, who were thinking that exam could be in March, but the exam date is now announced to be 31st January tentatively. Alright? I know a lot of you are anxious, a lot of you are panicking, a lot of you are worried that how you will finish your syllabus and how you will be able to sit for the exam. When is your internship completion and internship is not getting completed, whether you will be eligible, what will be the new pattern. There are a lot of questions. Let me answer all of them one by one. Although at DBMCI MDS, we had predicted long back in May that in the worst case scenario, the exam could be in January, because initially all the postgraduate medical entrance examinations used to be held in January. It was only after COVID that this trend got delayed. Having said that, usually the notification for exam comes 3 months before the exam. That is the usual trend, because the authorities also need a time of around 3 months to get things sorted. But this time the notification has come just 1.5 months prior, rather 2 months prior, not even 3 months. So it's just 2 months that the exam is away. So the notification has come a little late. So now there are two things which can happen. Okay. First thing, the authorities do not change the exam date, and this is the exam date, which is 31st January. Second thing, the exam may get postponed because of multiple reasons. Let us see what we can do best in both the scenarios. If the exam is on 31st January, you can do two things. You can panic, you can be angry, you can be frustrated, or you can think that the date of exam is the same for everyone. It's not just preponed for you, but it is also preponed for every single MDS aspirant. So don't panic. Just tweak your strategy, just modify your strategy so that you are able to do the most important things first. I call it the plan A. What is plan A? Plan A is do the previous year questions, the most important notes, and a revision of grand tests. A full syllabus test should be done every 10 days. Okay, or even more if you want to do it. So these next 2 months you should spend on previous year questions, notes, and lots of tests. Do as many MCQs as you can do. If the exam is postponed, say if the exam goes to March, all you have to do is repeat plan A. You have an additional time for one extra revision of the same or similar things. In case the exam is postponed, we will come up with some special things that you can practice during that extra time, which will help you get a very good score and a very good rank. If the exam is not postponed and it is happening on 31st January 2025, don't worry. Usually everybody whose internships is completing by 31st March is eligible to sit for the exam. The last question that comes to your mind is whether the pattern will change or not. Okay, till the time the prospectus is not out, we will assume that it's the same pattern, 3 hours, 240 questions. Start doing the practice of your grand tests, or if you're already doing it, then continue doing the practice of your grand tests in the same format, 3 hours, 240 questions. If the number of questions are reduced to 200, okay, because in the PG segment, it is 3 hours and 200 questions. Yes, there is a chance that it is reduced. In that case, it will become very easy for you if you have practiced with 240 questions. As soon as the prospectus is out, as soon as we are sure about the exam trend, exam pattern, we will modify all the grand tests as per the latest pattern. But till then, you should just keep doing the same pattern, 240 questions, 3 hours, full syllabus grand tests, as many as you can, along with doing the PYQs and the shortened notes that you have. All right. So relax, stay calm, stay composed. Just remember, the preponement of exam is the same for every single student. Whether you are the future first ranker or you are the future 5000 ranker, it's the same for everybody. So do not panic, relax, follow strategy A. It will really help you in your exams, in revising for your exams. Very soon I will come out with a detailed strategy. What is detailed strategy A? And you can follow it for the best possible results. Alright? Relax, students. All the best to all of you.